It looks so ridiculous on camera. So here it is. We made it to Skater's Edge. Drove like a dream. Gas mileage wasn't a dream, but we went through, what, a quarter of a tank to get here? Quarter of a tank, 130 miles, and we used the generator for half of the time. So we're gonna go ride, have some fun, and then we'll catch up with you guys later. Here's the scenario here. The RV is too big to get under this. So I'm trying to order, but this lovely lady won't answer me. So Anton's gonna try to get on the pressure plate here. Hello? Hey, how you doing? We have this RV, we can really fit. And I'm barely comfy. Oh, it's good? Alright, cool. Awesome. You getting out?
Yeah, I'm getting out. I'm buying it.
You only 25, you buy it.
The next day.
Alright guys, so it is a new day. We slept in Taunton, Mass. Went to Skater's Edge, probably stayed there for about 2 hours. We got there at 10, rode till midnight. Parked at like a Wendy's parking lot and literally just slept there for the night. Ran the generator all night, AC was cranking. And now we're in Windsor Locks. We're just camping at the Windsor Locks Park. MTV Cribs, what's going on, dude? Check this out. We got some toast being made. Getting some eggs and bakey, like Anton likes to say.
Eggs and bakey?
Are you the fucking stereo dude?
Eggs and bakey.
Eggs and bakey. So right now we're just waiting for breakfast. We're gonna ride a little more. What else are we doing?
We're gonna go hit some fucking dirt jumps.
Some dirt jumps. It's usually a fun day.
Gonna puss out.
Yeah, no, I'm not hitting them.
Be like, so guys, Chris RUDNIK here. I'm pussing out.
I'm pussing out hard. Alright guys, so the bacon is actually taking some time here. So while we're waiting, we're gonna get some clips. There's a couple things I wanna do. I'm sure Anton wants to do a couple things. Devin wants to do a couple things. I'm only gonna put some clips in this video because I know a lot of people don't really care for the biking. So I kinda just bank a bunch of footage and I'm just gonna make one very long video of a bunch of cool clips at different kind of skate parks. So here's some clips now.
I was like, how does that happen?
So we got like one line done. I think the eggs are done. Woo. Eggs?
Bacon.
Eggs and bacon. Fuck yeah. Eating like kings. Queens? Kings?
Queens.
Okay, so Devin's dying to hit these dirt jumps, but I really want to hit this one last line. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of terrified of it. But he's kind of like forcing it upon me, considering
You better do it.
he wants to go.
We gotta go.
And he wants to go.
Dude, we gotta get going.
We got a drift boy over
Listen
here
to-
with the angle kit on that Mustang.
Oh my god, it does. The caster's real. But I'm gonna go hit this clip. What do you think of that? Alright, so we're back now. We were gonna hit some dirt jumps, but sadly we can't because Mr. Anton over here had to get back and mow some lawns, and kind of can't drive right now. But I'm gonna test out the toilet, see if she works pretty good. I'm gonna drop a deuce in her, see if it works. So I'm not gonna lie, taking a shit in here, it's really not that bad. I mean, I don't really want to test it while driving. I'm definitely going to, but I mean, you'd probably have to hold on for dear life. Probably feel like a fucking earthquake and like shit falling down on you and shit, but shit's alright. Alright, so Anton's kind of fucking me, okay? So he looked over the whole RV. He's telling me that the thing was cherry. Did you not?
I thought it was mint.
We thought it was mint, and we started like kind of like, I read the comments, and some of you assholes made my anxiety really a lot. So I'm over here like feeling everything, and we fell over here. There was a little soft point. You want to tell the rest here?
So, we were driving.
Don't step on that.
We were driving, and we noticed that down here it started to fall a little bit. So we popped out the bed that was up here, and we started taking a look, and this whole thing is pretty bad. But the good news is we're just gonna replace this board here, put a 2x4 in there, make it pretty structural. Take this out, put another piece of plywood in it, and fucking make it mint again, because everything else is pretty solid.
Yeah, and honestly, we spent like a good hour like literally knocking everywhere on the inside and out, making sure like nothing like this was a problem. And the dude did say when he did buy this that the front leaked, and he did fix the leak. So he probably fixed it and just never fixed this wood up here. So obviously sitting or driving it for 3 years and then just leaving it, it's gonna get bad. And his girlfriend was sitting up there, what, fucking 3 hours straight? Oh, and you slept on it.
Yeah, I slept on it. It was fine.
Did it happen last night or today? I think it happened today.
This morning on our way back.
Yeah, and obviously there was some weight on it, so it probably just gave out. So we're just gonna go to Lowe's real quick. We're gonna grab a 2x4, and we're also gonna grab a piece of plywood. We're gonna mock it all up so it fits this right here, and it should be mint. Anton claims it's gonna take an hour.
I don't see it taking much longer than that.
So let's get to Lowe's. I'm already pissed. I'm pissed. So RV round 2. Got a piece of plywood. Got this stapler. Got some screws. 2x4. Some staples. A Red Bull because I'm butthurt. And Anton is a mercenary, so we're good. Mr. CDL, here he goes. I swear to God, I want to fucking kill you, dude.
What's going on, guy?
You're like, yeah, let's bring the fucking RV. Let's waste RUDNIK's gas. First off, I already spent $230 on gas. And,
that part's not important.
no, it is important. We're getting 4 MPG in this beast. It's hotter than a bag of dicks. And we can't fit this fucking plywood in here. You're scratching at my door. You're like, yeah, dude, I don't want to unload my trailer. Well, I didn't want to unload my RV, all right? I didn't want to unload it. Now, we're stuck. Just leave the fucking door open at this point. I'm done. Just shut it. Oh, wait, you can't. Fuck.
Pull, dude.
I can't do nothing. It's fucked. You fucked it. I'm pissed, dude.
He's pissed. I'm gonna try and help him get this thing in.
Yeah, good friend. Good friend. Thanks, man.
So we finally got it in. We finally got it. Chris is finally calming down a little. And here it is, Chris. You okay back there, dude? Chris?
Just shut the fuck up and drive.
Maybe
How the
he
fuck
didn't
am I gonna
calm
get over
down.
there? I'm stuck back here. Turn the generator on.
So once I do that, we'll refab this back up there, and should be good to go.
What's going on up here?
So as I was explaining to my buddy Seamus,
Hey, how you doing?
How you doing?
we're going to take the plywood. We're gonna take the plywood. First, we're gonna rip out all this shit. We're gonna put a 2x4 here. We're gonna put in the new insulation, put a 2x4, fix this so it's usable. Then we're gonna take a 2x4, run it across. We're gonna cut a piece out of the 2x4 so we can set the plywood on it. So all the weight won't be on this thing here. And then after we do that, you know, this will be like a like a safety. You'll still have weight on it, but it won't take all the weight. It'll only take some of the weight. And should be mint. We'll put this back.
So
on
how
after.
much, like, what's the gap gonna be between here and the plywood?
Not much.
Not much.
Not much.
So
at
like
all.
it won't like make a much of a
No,
difference.
you're not even gonna recognize it.
Anton the carpenter. You saw it here, folks. Let's see how it comes out. Mambo helped me last time, and the RV I ended up giving the RV away for free. So hopefully Anton does better.
Okay, so we got all the old insulation out. Starting to put in the new stuff. There was actually some black mold on that other one, but only a little bit. So I'm gonna clean up that area where it had some black mold and keep going.
So Anton the carpenter is getting some work done here. So you put the new insulation in already?
Yes, sir.
So what he did on the outside is, I'll show you. Fucking Will. Anton hung this all up with some screws. Tomorrow I'm just gonna come back with some caulk. I'm gonna caulk all this up, and you guys are gonna love this one. I'm gonna use Hit It Phil Swift.
That can instantly patch, bond, seal, and repair.
That's right, we're bringing some flex tape in this bad boy. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna caulk this seam. Oh no, I'm sorry, we're gonna foam the seam, then we're gonna caulk it, and then we're gonna flex tape it, because Phil Swift is my, oh, I can't say that word, I almost said it bad. But Phil Swift, he's my main man, and I'm gonna support him to the day I die, so don't let me down, Phil Swift.
I'm not looking.
All right, guys, so Anton the carpenter just finished it up with his workers right here. So you want to talk about it a little bit?
All right, so what we did is we re-put that insulation in, as you saw. We took a 2x4 and we put it on the bottom. We took some of the old wood that was still usable.
Blinding you?
No, that was still usable, and you know, we drilled it to the 2x4, so we had something solid to go to. We fixed the sag in the front so it wouldn't sag anymore. We drilled that up through the 2x4. We set the 2x4 in, drilled it to the good wood, set the plywood on top of it, so that way this plywood isn't going to go anywhere no matter what you do. And yeah, we're going to cut this out probably, you know, the next couple days, and so that's all. Yeah, we just need the
skill saw. We don't have it here.
And should be ready to rock.
So the only thing we have left to do is we just have to caulk the front. But we're going to caulk it, and then we're going to flex tape it, and then she'll be mint. But we're going to put the cushions back up here and see what she looks like. How is it, man?
It's mint, dude.
Dude, you need some privacy?
I might.
I got you, dude. Well, yo, where'd Anton go, dude?
Dude, it actually gets dark in here.
Does it get dark?
Yeah.
Is it comfy?
It is, dude. It ain't bad.
It looks like you still got some good room. We didn't
take too much off, dude.
Yeah, no, this is great.
No, we're mint right
now. I don't have to get mad anxiety about that sag, dude. We definitely got a flex taper, though.
Oh, yeah, we'll get it done. We'll caulk it.
Just slap it on.
Slap on that flex tape!
So Anton's a sick fuck right now. Remember that shit I took earlier? Anton's literally draining it. This is my shit on the ground. Dude, I'm gonna puke. I can't even deal with my own shit.
You gotta do what you gotta do.
Dude, why are you draining it right here, dude?
I have to. You want me to flush it or not?
So what we're doing right now is this was winterized, and what that means is it was kind of like antifreeze in the pipe so they wouldn't freeze over winter. And now, oh God, dude. Can't even deal. But we're trying to flush that all out. We did it a little when we first got the RV, but we only flushed it once. And when we were in Massachusetts about to take a shower, turned it on, and the water was pink, and it smelled like really strong. So we're gonna run it like 3 times. I can't believe my shit's just flowing onto the driveway right now. Would you ever let that happen?
No.
He just doesn't give a fuck.
Quiet.
Yo, bro, is your Honda fast?
Yeah, bro.
Fast as fuck. So don't mind this right here. This is just our garbage. So about 10 minutes ago, if I cupped this water, it was super foamy and it was almost like pink. And like if you smelled it, it was like literally toxic. But we've been running it for like 10 minutes and it's starting to get really clear. You can smell it. It actually smells like water. We're testing the water heater right now. We're letting it warm up. But right now, this is freezing cold. If I turn this off and turn this on, it actually starts to get warm. So that tells me that the water heater actually works. Like, this is actually really fucking cold. So, little by little, but we're gonna get her. Thanks to this guy right here, because, not gonna lie, I'm not an RV guy. I have no idea what the fuck I'm doing. So guys, I'm testing the hot water right now, and it's actually, like, I'm not even exaggerating. It's burning fucking hot. Like, this is really fucking hot right now. It's actually burning my fingertips. I'm very, very shocked. But it's sick, and the water pressure is nasty. Like, look at this water pressure. 0 to 100 real quick. Oh, fuck. Just got covered in water. Alright guys, so I think this is going to be it for this video. Next video on the RV, we're actually going to disinfect this whole thing because, like, I don't know who slept in this. I don't know who fucked in this thing. Like, I want this thing to actually be mine. Honestly, I want to get new curtains and everything. Where's the light? It's over here. I want to get new curtains because I don't like this 1990 bullshit look, even though it's a 2001. I want to clean the walls. Literally want to throw this away. Get new sheets. How's the bed look? If it's brown, dude. Oh, there's a little shit over there, but Oh, little shit right there. But honestly, it's not bad. Once I put a sheet. What up?
She's ready.
She's ready to go?
All set.
Where are we going next weekend?
Dude.
Pennsylvania?
Pennsylvania.
We're thinking about going to the Windmill, which I saw on Scotty Kramer's channel. It looks like a really sick skate park, and now, I mean, we have an RV, so might as well use it to the full potential. But yeah, like I said, we're going to remodel this whole thing. I do want to get a bike rack for the back. I want to get a bunch of things so this thing is actually livable, because right now, not going to lie, I slept in it last night. I felt a little disgusted. Like, I didn't even use this blanket. I literally just laid on the bed, didn't use any blankets. I just put my arms inside of my shirt, and I just used Anton's girlfriend's pillow and just kind of just like laid there flat. So yeah, hopefully by tomorrow she's fully livable, and then we can go on another road trip. See you guys tomorrow, and I hope you enjoyed this content.